Thank you for joining us today for the Provider Series hosted by the Pickaway County Board of GD. My name is Jordan Olivares. I'm an advocate here at Pickaway County. These are my coworkers, Mike Rodgers and Travis Dresbach, and we will be discussing about advocacy in our advocacy group. Advocacy is the act of publicly supporting a cause, idea, or policy. It involves educating others, mobilizing communities, and influencing decision makers. Advocacy can address local concerns and drive statewide and national policy change. Most importantly, advocacy empowers individuals, amplifies unheard voices, and protects human rights. Thanks to our advocacy group, we've increased awareness of the Blue Envelope program, invited troopers from two counties to learn and help spread the message, and supported its growth. Now, and it's now adopted in 80 Ohio counties and even in other states as well. We've also partnered with fire and law officials and improved local accessibility by helping provide ramps to 13 businesses in Pickaway County. These projects show how real change happens when individuals are empowered to speak up and speak out. Our meetings are open to everyone and take place on every second Tuesday of every month. Providers and clients are always welcome. Providers can support individuals' advocacy efforts by building communication skills, involving them in decisions, offering information and resources, and helping them feel confident and valued. They can also assist with processing information, accessing transportation or services, using alternative communication or assistive technology, sharing events, and encouraging engagement. Together, we can continue strengthening voices, inclusion, and community change. Thank you.
Who can be a part of this group or an advocacy group? Individuals with a disability, family members, and service providers can be parts of advocacy groups. A provider during advocacy meeting can help their individual express their thoughts clearly by rephrasing questions or providing clarification on the topic being discussed. Providers can also speak on behalf of the individual, but only if the individual gives them permission to, especially if the individual is having trouble expressing their thoughts or ideas. Lastly, providers can also encourage the individual so that the individual feels comfortable and confident to participate and advocate for themselves. Provider can also support their individual to participate in advocacy meetings by identifying if their individual has expressed concerns about certain policies or issues related to their community. If an individual has expressed concerns about a specific topic, then the provider can talk to the individual about joining an advocacy group so that the individual can have others to talk to who are wanting to discuss similar issues.
How can a provider support advocacy efforts? This would be individually based on a person's needs. A provider can support a person through communication to engage the community, transportation in the community as well, and mobility needs as needed. They can also share events and engage individuals through other considerations. Who do you contact if you have any questions? So you can contact myself, Jordan, or Travis if you'd like to have any questions about advocacy or are looking to get involved and need to find out ways to make that happen. I said, who are the advocates for Pickaway County and what do they do? I said, our advocates are about 13 core members linked to our group at this time. I said, we are currently collaborating on important, relevant initiatives and discussing other opportunities to get involved with our community, making our community more accessible and inclusive for everybody. You can also participate by attending conferences such as Synergy or the STIR conference. So we have been also included as an avid part of our city council meetings at the Circleville City Council of Government. We are working to be more inclusive voice on their council to be able to sit around their table and talk about different advocacy initiatives and helping our community be more accessible to all. You can attend meetings or meet with individuals who need someone to talk to regarding advocacy efforts. We have been made ourselves available For ISB meetings, our person serves have annual meetings to discuss their needs and understanding of how to support them better. And if someone has a question about advocacy, we are willing to be a part of those meetings to answer questions and help them overcome hurdles that might inhibit them from being involved in our advocacy efforts. So if you have any questions, please reach out to Travis, Jordan, or myself. We'd be happy to answer those